Welcome back to Python in a minute. In today's episode from our string series, we'll explore the ends with method, which this method check if a string ends with a specified suffix or not, and also it can check within a specific range of the input string. Here our first example, and we have a string variable photo.png. In this example, by calling ends with in the parentheses .png, it returns true because the file name ends with png. But for the next example, we want to check if it's ends with .jpeg or not. After we checking it with the ends with method, it returns false because the file name does not end with .jpeg. And for the final example, let's check the optional start and end parameters of this method. Here you can see we have two cases. In the first case, we check if substring from index 11 to the end ends with .mp3. It returns true because it does. And in the second case, we check if the substring from index 0 to 9 ends with .png. And it returns false obviously because the substring does not end with .png. And that's a quick overview of the ends with method in Python. Stay tuned and happy coding!